Okay, Assalamu alaikum. Inshallah, in this video, we are discussing sense relations. Sense relations are the semantic relations that found between the meaning of words. Um, so instead of looking at the meaning of word in isolation, we can examine how its meaning is related to the meaning of other words. And we have different types of lexical or sense relations. Uh, First, we have synonymy, uh, and synonymies are words with the same or let's say identical or similar, like the words begin and start, big, large, purchase, and buy. So, however, complete synonym is rare because words may differ in style, register, collocation, and context. So, simply we can say that synonyms are similar words because I think there's no identical, let's say, synonyms. Um, Maybe at least in English or in Arabic, we have slight differences. Even we can find slight differences according to the style, according to the register, collocation, context, or the meaning itself, for example. Uh, Also, we have an antonym. An antonymy, when we say antonyms, are the words with contrast in meaning, or let's say the words that are not identical, not similar at all. We have the two opposite, or we have two opposite meanings when it comes to two words, and we can simply recognize they are, let's say, opposite words because they are, let's say, they are on different poles, on contrasting poles. If we consider the meaning as in terms of a line. We have what is called degradable antonyms, like when we have two points, two contrasting points, two contrasting ideas, concepts, meanings, and still we have spectrum of the meaning between these two poles, like the word hot and cold, big and small. So the intermediate degrees are possible between, for example, hot and cold. It could be warm or cool, between big and small, medium and size. Even what do you mean by hot? Or what do you mean by cold? Or we can simply ask to what extent it is big, or to what extent is it small. And also we have complementary antonyms. So like the words alive or dead, we don't have that gradable or that spectrum of the meaning between the two poles, either for say for an individual to be either alive or dead, for something, for an idea, for a proposition, either to be true or false. There is no generally, or let's say there's no spectrum of the meaning between the two poles. Can versus relation opposite. So when you say a buy, then we have the opposite, which is sell. If we have teacher, there's a student. If we have a parent, there's a child. And also we have hyponymy and hyponymy.